awesome does my plate look? Yum, this looks so good, and I'm even salivating because yeah, this is perfection. So today I'll be showing you how to make chapatis and maji, which is going to be a very easy and simple recipe with very basic ingredients, and the outcome is going to be so good and delicious. I've served up my chapatis and maji with chakalaka that I made earlier on. You can check up here or in the description box for the full recipe. My mom used to cook the best chapatis and maji, and I always enjoyed munching on this delicious treat. Most of the time they were salted, but today I'll be showing you a very easy recipe that is going to be savory because we're going to be adding in both sugar and salt. Now, I'm going to add in my dry ingredients to my bowl. So I'll start off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then using a whisk, I'm going to whisk in the dry ingredients until fully combined. Crack in 2 eggs. Add in water. And using my whisk, I'm going to whisk in all the ingredients until fully combined. Add in a little bit more water. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and mix. As you can see, it's flowing but not too thin. So right now, I'm super excited to cook my delicious chapatis and maji. So I'm going to place a pan over medium flame and add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. Using a kitchen brush, I'm going to brush the oil in the pan. And to scoop out my butter, I'm going to be using half a cup of measuring cup. Add in my butter. Then I'm going to tilt my pan so that I can spread the butter in the pan, just like this. Wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. And when you notice browning on the edges of the chapati and maji, you're going to flip. Add in a little bit of cooking oil. You'll notice a very nice golden brown color on this side of my crepe, so I'm going to check the other side if it's getting the lovely spots and flip. Transfer to a plate. Very quickly, I'm going to tilt my pan. As you can see, using a non-stick pan is quite easy because the butter spreads easily and also it doesn't stick to the pan. So I would highly recommend you trying out making the chapatis and maji using a non-stick pan. After 30 seconds, I'm going to check on my chapati and then flip. Add in a little bit of cooking oil. And wait for around 30 more seconds to 1 minute. Flip once more, and wow, so gorgeous. Transfer to the rest and add in the remaining butter to my pan. Spread the butter. As you have seen, the recipe is very easy and needs very little time to cook, and the chapatis and maji have turned out so good. They're super soft And I love how crispy the edges are. So this is definitely a recipe worth trying. And it will be an awesome time enjoying the chapati za maji. Lovely. So I'm done making the chapati za maji, and I hope you'll be trying out this recipe, and the chapati za maji will turn out perfect just like